To get started with Delightex Edu, let's set up your account first. If you don't have an account yet, go to delightex.com/edu. Click Sign Up and select Teacher. Follow the steps and define your login details, or sign up another way. Once logged in, you can create a class and you will get a class code to share with your students. All your students need to do is enter your class code and choose a username or password. If they already have a Delightex account, they can simply click Join Class and enter your class code. You can find your class code inside your class. You can also connect Delightex Edu to your Google Classroom. In your license plan settings, go to Integrations and enable Google Classroom. Make sure you're logged in with the same email you use in Google Classroom. Import your classes from Google Classroom by syncing your accounts. You can remix projects from the gallery to get started. Or create your own projects from here. You can place objects from the library, change the environment, or upload your own assets. To add a new scene to your project, find this menu on the left and duplicate your scene or create a new one. To make your projects come to life, you can use the block-based coding language CoBlocks. Drag and drop the blocks from here and create simple interactions. To use an object in CoBlocks, you will need to activate it for the CoBlocks first. Once you are ready, hit play to test your project. To prepare a first assignment for your students, go to your class and click Create Assignment. Select the type of project you'd like your students to create, or let them decide. You can either send it as an individual assignment to each student in your class, or send it to groups of students that you define, enabling them to collaborate within the same project. To view their work, simply go to Students in your class and click on a student's assignment. From here, you can also monitor students' progress in real time. Once the time is up, you can lock the assignment. If you want your characters or any object to come alive, you can make them an AI buddy to use the power of AI in your projects. Enable it first under License Plan Integrations, and in your project, activate AI Buddy. Define a prompt for your buddy. For example, she could be Cleopatra from ancient Egypt. In play mode, approach her for a conversation. Delightex Edu can also help you detect inappropriate content in your students' projects. To use it, enable Content Guard in your integrations. In your class, open Content Guard to see whether any inappropriate content has been detected. You'll find a description of the flagged content, along with additional details such as its location and date. You can also see if the content is still live or has already been deleted. If it's still present, you can click on View to jump directly into the project. To share your projects with others, you can either share it unlisted or to the gallery. If you share it unlisted, only the people you share it with will be able to view it. If you are a teacher using Pro, you can publish your project publicly to the gallery.